Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This printer is Epson EcoTank ET-4950. I'm going to show you how to set this printer up. Switch the printer on from this button. Now I will ask you for you to select your language. After you select your language, select next. It will show you can easily set up using the app for mobile device. Do you want to set up from your mobile device? So I'm going to set this up from the printer screen. So I'm going to select no. Daylight saving time, select off or on is on. Date format, then you select the date format. You can start with selecting the day. Then you select OK. Then time format, 24 hours or 12 hours. Then you select the time. Then select OK. Now I will show you see the start here bundle with printer or on the web to complete initialization. Now what I want us to do is to install the ink bottle. So open up the ink tank. So this is the black ink bottle. So open the ink tank. On the left side is black, BK is black, followed by cyan is C, magenta is M, and yellow. So open the black bottle, then fill it up to the black tank, fill it up to the top. Now remove the bottle, close the cap, open cyan, take cyan bottle, fill up the tank, remove the bottle, close the cap. The next is magenta, open magenta cap, fill up the tank, remove the bottle, empty bottle, close the cap. The last but on the list, yellow, open the cap and fill up the tank. Yellow is done. Remove the bottle, close the cap, close the cover for the tank. Now I need to press this button, the question button. Press and hold it. Then it will show you, make sure all the ink tank are filled to the upper line. Select start to charge the ink tank. Then you select start. It will show you initialization. Please wait. This will take up to 11 minutes to complete. So this is how to fill up the ink tank. Now you can see that initialization is almost getting to the end. Initialization complete. Move on to print quality adjustment. So this is how to install the ink tank and complete the initialization. Thank you very much indeed.